How to log in to Aliexpress mobile app. Now, in order to log in to your Aliexpress mobile app, you just simply need to open the Aliexpress app at the very first, and once you open the Aliexpress app, you are going to see the option of sign in directly. If you cannot see that, tap to the account option from the bottom right corner, and once you tap in there, you are going to see the option of sign in/register. Tap to sign in/register, and then you are going to see this page where you can see Google, Facebook, X, or email in order to log into your account. Just simply pick the same platforms that you have used in order to create your account in Aliexpress, and once you do that, select your specific account which you have used in order to create your account. Let me select the Google option here because that was what I was using while creating your Aliexpress account, and then just simply select that specific account and you will successfully be signed in to your Aliexpress very easily. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.